Okay, today we're going to do the mama bear climbing on the tree in the biggest ice storm we've had all year. It's okay though, we'll be inside. Alright, there you go. Mama bear is all done in about 2 minutes of video. And I'd do her tree, but I kind of broke my power gouge, so I have to use the gas one. And it's 4 degrees outside. Not opening that door today. Okay, so here's my power gouge. It was on this electric saw, and it did quite well on it. But after 2 years of abusing it, it stripped the gears out of it, so I had to put it back on the gas saw. Works really good on the electric saw, works awesome on the gas saw too, but I can't run a gas saw indoors. The way this thing works is these cutters right here spin around and take out mulch-sized pieces and throw them back at you. Oh, we'll have more on that in its own video. Well, you thought I was going to end it all right there without showing you Mama Bear. Well, here she is. The base is not complete yet. It'll be finished up when it's mounted onto its tree stump. I have to have something down there for this thing to stay standing. And there it is. Stay tuned for the next video.